G'day everyone, it's Andrew Whitehouse here. This week we're talking about COVID. Now, of course, there is a lot of evidence that babies who are exposed to different types of viruses in utero may have increased chances of developing neurodevelopmental differences. Now, of course, the biggest bug or virus that's been around over the last few years has been COVID, and there's been a huge amount of interest about whether exposure to COVID in utero may have consequences for the neurodevelopment of the baby and even maybe have increased the chances of that baby going on to be diagnosed with autism. The study we've linked to this week looked at exactly that. So the study took place in New York, and what there was around 1,222 babies who were born during the time of COVID, and around 130 of those babies were known to be in utero at the time that their mum was exposed to COVID. They compared this group of kids with around 442 kids who were born before the COVID pandemic. And then what they did is they looked at the rates of autism among those two groups of children. Now, the main finding is that the children who were exposed to COVID in utero actually had no greater chances of being diagnosed with autism at age 2 and age 3. Now, of course, this is an early study, but what it does indicate pretty clearly from the early findings that actually exposure to COVID in utero does not increase the chances of a child going on to be diagnosed with autism. We'll keep you posted on this broad area of research because I think it's a really interesting area of research.